Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to divide negative fractions. And just like when we divide positive fractions, we are going to keep, switch and flip, also known as keep, change, flip. And then we'll simplify our answers if necessary. Now, the same rules that apply to dividing positive and negative integers apply to fractions. So, if we have the same sign, meaning positive divided by a positive, or a negative divided by a negative, we will get a positive result. If we have different signs, so a positive divided by a negative, or a negative divided by a positive, we will have a negative result. Let's jump into our examples here, starting with number 1. So, let's begin with starting with number 1. So, we start with these 3 steps. Keep, switch and flip. We always keep the first fraction, so minus 1/3. Then we switch this dividing sign to a multiply. Now we flip these two to a 5/4. Now we can just multiply them straight. So minus 1 times 5 equals minus 5. And 3 times 4 equals 12. So this fraction is already in the simplest form. So this will be your final answer, your final result of the first question. So let's go on to number 2. Oh, now I do want to mention, before moving on to number 2, that when it comes to negative fractions, the negative sign can be in different places. So, for example, the negative sign can be with the numerator, just like number 1. It can be in front of the fraction, or it can be with the denominator. So there are different ways that negative fractions can be written. I probably will make a video on this, showing you the different negative fractions. And let's go to number 2. So again, we have a fraction, but this time we have 2 negatives at the numerators. So let's do the 3 steps. We keep the first fraction, minus 6/10. We switch the sign to a multiplying sign, and we flip the second fraction. Keep in mind, you have to keep the negative sign where it is. So it's not 8 minus 7, it's minus 8/7. We only switch the numbers and not the negative signs. So now we have this, we can just start multiplying them. Let's move it to the left a little bit so I have enough space. We can start multiplying them. So, as I said, negative times negative, we will get a positive result. So, minus 6 times minus 8 will be 48. Now, 10 times 7 is 70, and we have our fraction. So, now we have to simplify it, because we can simplify this one. Let's move it left a little bit more. So now we can simplify it. So we have to find the biggest common fraction to divide these two by. And that's divided by 2. So we divide both by 2. And we will get 48 divided by 2 is 24. And 70 divided by 2 will be 35. So now we have simplified it. We have done the whole question. And this will be our final answer. So this was basically it on how to divide negative fractions using the keep, switch, flip or the keep, change, flip method. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys understand how to divide negative fractions now. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. You can always ask a question in the comments and subscribe to the channel. This was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next video.